Good morning, America. I'm Charles Gibson.
I'm Diane Sawyer, and it's Tuesday, September 11th, 2001.
It is lunchtime in London, 5 a.m. in Los Angeles, and 8 a.m. here in New York, live from the CNN Financial News headquarters.
It is beautiful outside, perfect September day with lots of sunshine. Oh, would you look at Washington, huh? I'm going outside today.
Other than that, it's kind of quiet around the country. We like quiet.
I remember 8th grade, Northwestern Middle School. I remember my first reaction. I was walking down the hall and my buddy, his name is Greg Pachillo, we played on the soccer team together. He's coming down and he said, dude, we just got bombed. And we were little 8th grade kids, immature, didn't know what was going on. I walked into my classroom and I knew things were different. I knew this was serious, truly serious, because all the teachers in the classroom were scared. It was really kind of an eye-opener at the time, and it was really kind of a transformation for me as a person, realizing, hey, there's other things out there in the world. It's not all focused on you. It's not all focused on your life. There are events and people whose lives are affected by this.
You know, it started out as a normal day. You just woke up. I always turned on the news to see what was going on, and I saw the pictures and I thought, this is a joke, and I flipped and it was on every single channel.
This just in, you were looking at obviously a very disturbing live shot there. That is the World Trade Center.
La espera de mayores informaciones, saber qué fue.
Apparently a plane has crashed into the World Trade Center in New York.
Any kind of an effort up there yet. Now remember, oh my God.
That looks like a second plane.
You saw footage, live footage of the second plane hitting the building, and it was, you just knew it was really, really bad, and it was really, you know, it was real, and it was going to change everything.
And I was sitting in class at my university. I clearly remember my professor just stopping class, and we were getting ready for a big exam that day, and she just said, hey, our country's been attacked. None of the students really knew what really happened. And, you know, we were young, so we didn't really understand the magnitude of how much our country was going to change. I remember going back home and turning on the TV, and people were jumping out of the Twin Tower. And it was really, I mean, it changed the world, like forever. Everything changed. Transformation oftentimes starts with our realization for the need to change. As a nation, we realized we needed to change when 9/11 happened. We realized we got comfortable, and we realized that we are stronger together.
Freedom itself was attacked this morning by a faceless coward, and freedom will be defended.
Even though it was very devastating for our nation, but good change happened, and that's where we are today. We showcase to the world what we're made of.
I saw it brought blow and then ran like hell. Thank God. I'm 69, but I can still run.
That we're still strong as a nation. We were able to come together as hardworking Americans once again to rebuild this nation. It reminded us as a business, as a company, ourselves, that transformation can still happen when we realize what we're made of and the need for change.